Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today, we're starting a new tutorial: how to reset TCL Android TV. Press Home to access the home screen. Scroll to Settings, then press OK. Scroll to Device Preferences, then press OK. Scroll to Reset, then press OK. Scroll to Factory Data Reset, then press OK. Scroll to Erase Everything, then press OK. Enter the code that appears on the screen. Scroll to and select OK. The TV will now reset. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.